Hello, how are you? Welcome once again to this your channel. In case you don't know me, I'm Lynette, the person behind this wonderful project that I called GretaWings. This time I want to show you how to make Princess Merida from the movie Brave. I will guide you in the videos you must see before continuing to the second part. I will show you the materials that we will use to make it. In the description of this video, I shared the link to the tutorial of the base body. In that tutorial, I used orange for her underwear, but for this princess, I will use Nordic colors for her underwear. So let's see the materials. This princess is about 29 centimeters. We will use approximately 66 grams of skin color. All this yarn is brand Sinfonia number 8. We will need a silicone tube 1 centimeter in diameter and never less than 12 centimeters long. And we will place it from between the legs to where the head ends. We also need to fill very well so that the filling supports this head. 10 millimeters safety eyes. If you want them larger or smaller, it is to your liking. For the marks in the eyes, we will use white and tan or brown yarn. Tangerine color yarn, approximately 85 grams for her hair. Nordic blue yarn for her dress. Gold color yarn for more details. Strong tan yarn, or you can use brown yarn for her handbag and shoes. Also, we need stuffed, pins, wool needle, scissors, and 2.5 millimeters hook. I used 2.5 millimeters hook for the X-shaped single crochet. If you do the V-shaped single crochet, I recommend a 2.0 millimeters hook. If you want to know more about this, in the description of this video, I will share the link to learn more about the single crochet in the form of X and in the form of V and their difference. This is all the material that we will need. If you want to do it, remember you need to make the base body, and later just have to go the next part. Also, if you like this tutorial, don't forget to give me a like and your comment. I really appreciate it, and that supports this wonderful project. And if you haven't subscribed yet, well, what are you waiting for? Join to this wonderful community. Until next time, bye bye.